Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Jane and I am the Education Specialist with United Against Human Trafficking. I am coming to you today to talk about how COVID-19 is affecting human trafficking. Now, I know we're all sick of hearing about coronavirus, but it's still really important for us to stay informed. So first I want to talk about the prevention aspect, or people who are at a higher risk of trafficking. So right now, a lot of people are losing their jobs or being furloughed, and that means that they are more desperate for income or a job and support. Additionally, people are spending more time online on social media, and people might be feeling more lonely and looking for people to connect with. Traffickers are looking for those kind of people to reach out to and build a sense of trust so that they can exploit them later. Additionally, we have less access to people who are more vulnerable to human trafficking. Our outreach team is not able to reach out to those populations to talk to them about resources available to them, what human trafficking is, and how they can stay safe. Now, as far as people who are currently being trafficked or exploited, they are not able to receive the help, support, and resources that either alleviate their situation or allow them to leave. Now, I want to talk about child abuse for a minute. If children are victims of abuse or trafficking in their home, then they're not able to get that reprieve of going to school and seeing their teachers. Teachers have the highest likelihood of reporting abuse when they see it, but they're not seeing their students, so they're not able to make those reports. Additionally, people who experience intimate partner violence or domestic violence face additional risk because they're not able to leave their home, and tensions might be higher because of this pandemic. Now, for people who are being trafficked, they have less contact with people outside of their trafficking situation. That means less chances to be seen by somebody who might be able to help them, and less opportunities to ask for help. Now, even though there is a pandemic and a lot of us are staying inside of our homes, victims still might be required to meet certain quotas. And if they don't meet those quotas, then they can be isolated, have their basic needs taken away from them, or even face physical assault and violence. Now, let's talk about survivors. Survivors have a lot of needs in their recovery process. Things like physical health, mental health, job training, secure housing, food, and they have less access to those services that they need for a successful recovery. Additionally, I'm sure we all face feeling more isolated and wanting to reach out to people. Now, for people who their trafficker is maybe somebody that they had a romantic connection with, they might be feeling more inclined to reach out and reconnect with their trafficker. Additionally, with higher levels of unemployment, survivors might be unable to find work. Now let's talk about what you can do. Check in on your community, on your network, to foster a sense of community and let people know that you're there for them and you care about them. Spread awareness about the red flags about human trafficking and the hotline. The human trafficking hotline is 1-888-373-7888. Post it everywhere, on your Facebook, on Instagram. The more people see the hotline, the more it's likely to get into the hands of somebody who needs it. You can donate money, of course, to United Against Human Trafficking or other organizations that support survivors. And take this time to learn more about trafficking. Feel free to reach out to us to learn more about what you can do. Thank you and stay safe.